Hey kids, today in this video we will learn birds' name and their spelling. So let's start. Eagle, E A G L E, eagle. Duck, D U C K, duck. Crow, C R O W, crow. Goose, G O O S E, goose. Crane, C R A N E, crane. Macaw, M A C A W, macaw. Owl, O W L, owl. Peacock, P E A C O C K, peacock. Woodpecker, W O O D P E C K E R, woodpecker. Flamingo, F L A M I N G O, flamingo. Ostrich, O S T R I C H, ostrich. Vulture, V U L T U R E, vulture. Penguin, P E N G U I N, penguin. Pigeon, P I G E O N, pigeon. Rooster, R O O S T E R, rooster. Toucan, T O U C A N, toucan. Turkey, T U R K E Y, turkey. Kingfisher, K I N G F I S H E R, Kingfisher. Swan. S W A N. Swan. Emu. E M U. Emu. Goodbye everyone. Thank you for watching.